Hi, I'm Lisa Fong, and this is hearing tip number 6, which is on writing reasons for hearing panels. Writing reasons is an important part of the hearing process. Written reasons serve to communicate to the respondent whose rights are being affected why hearing committee has made a particular decision. Give a reviewing or appellate court a basis for understanding and assessing the reasonableness of the decision. Educate members and others about the standards of the profession. Provide transparency for the public, and add to a body of decisions that will help guide future hearing panels. The exact anatomy of a written decision will depend on the nature of the hearing and the evidence, but there are some key elements of a written decision. First, it should identify the allegations. This is usually quite simple, as the allegations to be determined are set out in a citation or in a charging document. Second, it should set out in an organized fashion the witnesses who testify, the undisputed and uncontested facts, the facts that were disputed, and the testimonial and documentary evidence. Third, a decision should also set out the parties' respective submissions. And fourth, most importantly, a decision must, with respect to each allegation, set out why the panels decided one way rather than another, why the panels rejected one party's evidence on a central matter, and why the panels rejected one party's arguments on a central matter. Hearing panels are not required to address every argument made by the parties. Rather, the obligation is to address the key issues, which can include addressing conflicts in the evidence on the key issues or the credibility of the witnesses on those key issues. Hearing panels can receive the help of independent legal counsel to assist with writing of their decision. It's important to understand that independent legal counsel cannot make decisions on behalf of a hearing panel, but may assist by, for example, editing to clearly express reasons and the decision, reviewing with the panel whether all major points have been reasoned and decided, and checking for erroneous references to evidence. This hearing tip is only a snippet of a much larger examination of this topic. Writing decisions is an art, and there is much that can be learned. Hearing panels can benefit from deliberation and decision writing training on how to carry out this important task. This hearing tip concludes our 6 tips for hearing panels. We hope they have been helpful and inspired your thinking on how to carry out hearing panel duties.